Hello and welcome again to TelecomTV. My name is Martin Warwick and I'm talking with Tetsuya Nakamura, Principal Architect, Cable Labs. Tetsuya, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
The latest research into NFVs shows that one of the key aspects of making NFV a reality is to ensure that security vulnerabilities are addressed immediately and not left to be tackled later on when NFV is deployed. Do you agree with that?
Yes, fully agree. Especially always, not only just NFV and SDN space, security is always quite important, very crucial for everyone, not only just provider but also our user. However, in addition to the existing security aspect, we also need to additional security aspects in terms of the SDN and NFV because, so given that SDN and NFV is try to decouple each other in a component basis, then so as long as we can operator can manage everything in the silo in the vertical. So once once we can build a secure silo, it's okay. But given that SDN and NFV assume that horizontally split each other in the more atomic component, then so seriously we need to ensure not only just an end-to-end system but a component basis security.
You've talked about the silos, which can be secured. They can be hardened and secured and safe.
Mm-hmm.
An overarching horizontal network is much more difficult. How do you go about ensuring that they are absolutely secure?
I don't believe so. Anyone have a very top-down approach can secure everything. It's too difficult. That's my view. So to ensure that all the end-to-end system to be secured is to each component must be quite secure. Then such a quite secure component combination will be secured at the end. So in this sense, I would say most important things to realize the NFV will be how maybe we can build up a secure component, not only just VNF but also NFVI and the Mano. And all the such kind of a decoupled component must be more secure and encrypted and the PKI type of the things. Otherwise, it's impossible to, nobody can secure the end-to-end.
Now, you mentioned components. There are a sizable number of components in the VNF network. Are some, simply by the nature of where they lie in the network and what they do, more potentially liable to security failures than others? In other words, is something more potentially dangerous than other parts of the network?
I think networking part is always very dangerous because many of the operators try to isolate it in the Mano part because that's a fully directly communicated with their OSS and BSS system. Those kind of a Mano part will be more isolated from others. But given that VNF will be deployed from a third-party vendor, more under directly touch with the infrastructure, including on top of the cloud environment. So in this sense, most dangerous part will be VNF and on top of the cloud environment. So that's my. So in this sense, VNF, how to secure the VNF is the most crucial too.
So my last question to you, and the obvious one, is how do you secure a VNF? Because VNFs are utterly central and crucial to a VNF network.
Yeah, most similar approach will be like App Store in the smartphone.
Right.
That's my view. But how to apply such a way to telecom industry is a little bit challenges. But motivation and the policy will be very similar way to current smartphone App Store or Google Store and so on.
Is that being actively worked on now? Are people working to sort of put that kind of App Store together that will be secure and just can be just used and then put down again and used and put
exactly.
Down. So you can turn on new services, you can turn on new applications simply by going to the App Store and applying it in an NFV network.
Yes, that's true. That's the only way to invite and encourage any third-party provider and VNF provider to come together and please provide and upload it. And of course, at the end, such a manager or how to say. Operator need to be a guarantee, so such any new VNF is secure enough. But once we can get the such a good environment to store the any VNF, then maybe we can achieve to a secure environment.
How near do you think that day is?
Maybe That's one of the reasons why I don't expect it's coming in this year or next year. But I hope maybe within the 3 or 5 years, somebody can provide such a very secure environment.
But it's a big challenge.
Big challenge.
Very interesting stuff. Tetsuya Nakamura, thank you.
Thank you.